So I'm pretty ill, but I just thought I'd use some of the glamour features to try and make myself look even better. So let's do a quick video. I'm gonna slim myself. Actually, I'm gonna smooth my skin. Just smooth my skin. Wow. Okay, let's brine it up a little bit. I want to slim it down because all I've been doing is eating junk over the last few days. So hopefully this makes me feel a bit thinner. I can change my eyes to make them bigger and more attractive. Apparently, let's go for that. That's good. Dark circles, yeah, we've got some of those. Let's get rid of that around the edge. Thin my nose down. I've always quite liked my nose, but maybe that looks better. I don't know. Mouth. No, I want a bigger mouth. That's cool. And look at the teeth. Ready? Oh my god, that's hilarious. You can add lipstick, blush as well, and eyebrows. I don't have very prominent eyebrows. Watch this. I mean, look at me. That is crazy. And let's turn it off. Ready? Back to reality. Oh, oh dear. Okay, I need to get well soon. So yeah, like I mentioned, not particularly well. So I haven't been able to get out to film much stuff with the Pocket 3 yet. I mean, by all accounts, it's got everything we've been asking for from a camera for a long time at 1-inch sensor. This is just straight out of the camera, not HLG, not 10-bit. This is just the normal footage you get out of the camera with the DJI microphone on me here. Yeah, the first bit of this video is recorded with 32-bit float audio. We're going to be doing a lot more about this microphone because I think they're going to be releasing it pretty soon, where you can have two of these connected to the camera. Also, it will come like with a little charging case like the previous DJI wireless mic did too. You can actually use the previous DJI wireless mic with this camera, but you have to use a transmitter plugged into the USB-C on the camera. It doesn't connect directly to the camera because it's got a built-in wireless transmitter in the Pocket 3 for this, so there's no transmitter needed. But anyway, we're getting off topic. I just wanted to try out the Glamour feature because it's something I've been like a bit interested by. Strange feature if you ask me. I'm not entirely sure who it's for. I mean, who's going to use that? The eyebrows in particular look very weird. It's just, am I using it now? Oh no, I was like, have I turned it off? Yeah, very strange feature. I mean, I'm not sure who's going to use that feature. Let me know in the comments down below what you think if you'd use that feature. I mean, the only feature I probably would use would be the teeth whitening because, that can be quite expensive to do that in the UK and it does look pretty good on the camera. So would you use the teeth whitening feature? Do you need to do that kind of thing? It's a few ethical questions there for people. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I'll be very interested to hear about what you think about the Glamour feature. Weird feature. One of the weirder features of this camera. Everything else about this camera I absolutely love so far. It looks so good. The tracking, I mean, I'm using the tracking now. It actually tracks, you can set it to track you as soon as you start recording. And it just works so well. Active Track 6.0 on this is very good. I love the microphone. I think it's so good. And this is just a normal field of view. I'm not using the wide angle lens either. Actually, let's put that on there to see if it makes any difference. So it's supposed to go from 20 to 15. So is that wider? Well, let's take it off. So you can just see the edge of that light there. Oh yeah, it is slightly wider. So the door handle, and then you can see nearly half of the door. So yeah, it is wider. Does it affect the image quality at all? I don't think so. It shouldn't. And it magnetizes on there really well. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna be talking a hell of a lot about this camera. It's probably one of the most talked about cameras so far in 2023, judging on the YouTube views that it's getting on most videos out there. So yeah, it's very interesting. But yeah, Glamour. Let me know. Will you be using it? Who's it for? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, more coming soon. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.